box. Little camera. Magnetic. Open. Think big. Some sort of, I don't know what, charging brick. There we go. Inside we have, oh, okay. Whoops. So this is the neck medallion, I guess we'll call it. Can go underneath your shirt. Stick this on top. Boom. Pretty strong. And you're wearing a camera on your chest. We have some when powered off. Some buttons to press. When powered on, do that stuff. Quick start guide. Now, who enjoys reading that? So we have the carrying case. Looks like an earpod case. How easy is it with one hand? Not so easy. But we have a screen in Japanese. Press to connect. We have a guy in the hallway screaming about deliveries. The cool thing about this is you have a little tripod here. Some charging ports. Wow. And then this thing I'm interested in using. This is for your hat. We could just, you just put it inside another magnetic holder and get it onto your hat, and there you go, hands free. Might be less strange than having it on your chest. I don't know. And it also articulates. So this is a sticker mount. You can put it somewhere. And finally, we have our USB-C charging cable. Ta-da!